Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by to see my spring farmhouse 3-tier tray. I love how this tray turned out and I am excited to share with you what I did to decorate it. Now the tray I got over at Hobby Lobby and I forgot to take a picture of the empty tray. So what I did is I went to Hobby Lobby's website and I pulled up the picture. Do not pay full price for this tray. They have different sales throughout the months. And then there's always a 40% off that you can have right there on your phone. Just download the Hobby Lobby app and you will always have a 40% off coupon. I pulled out my black and white buffalo check napkins to add to the tray, and so what I did is I folded them in half again so they were a square, and then I just laid them on the tray, kind of scrunching up a little bit of the napkin to give it a little bit of character. Next, I added my grassy bunnies that I got from Hobby Lobby. I just set them on two little parts of the tray and added a carrot garland. Now, I could not find this carrot garland on the Hobby Lobby website, but I know that they have it in store because I just saw it last trip. Anyway, I didn't cut anything apart on this garland. I just kind of draped it around onto this tray, just kind of setting up the carrots just the way that I wanted them to look. I also added a little green plant that I already had, as well as that Happy Easter sign that I picked up from Hobby Lobby a couple weeks ago. I just love the little hints of the pink. I love the way that it just really kind of ties all of this tray together. I couldn't wait to add my little farmhouse bunnies that I created last year to this tray. I do have a video on this. You can find it in the iCard above as well as in the description below. I decided to add the little mason jars with the little baby's breath in it that I created a couple of weeks ago with my Rustic wedding decor. I decided to put those on this tray because I love the color and the texture and just the, hint of the farmhouse with the burlap, and that really adds just a little pizzazz to this farmhouse tray. This is something that I like to use, just wood blocks. Little wood slices work great too, just to add some height to my little trays or different decorating pieces. It just really adds, and I can stack up the wood and it just gives me the height that I need. At the top of the tray, I added one of my lavender milk bottles. I chalk painted some milk bottles last year, and then I just put some lavender in there, and I just think it adds a great accent to this farmhouse tray. I decided to add some speckled eggs to my tray. Now this one is using a little basket I already had, and I just filled it with some of those little cute speckled eggs from Hobby Lobby, adding some of that green excelsior that I picked up at Joann's craft store. Now these speckled eggs are larger, and I decided to add those to my tray, but I wanted to use these buffalo black and white check cups that I got during Christmas at Hobby Lobby. So I decided to add those to my tray as well. So to give some filler, I'm using some of that excelsior, putting that in the cup, and then just laying some of those larger speckled eggs from Joann's. I added a couple of the jute wrapped eggs that I picked up from a local dollar store called King Dollar, and also I just positioned a few of the Mossy Stones that I got from the Dollar Tree. Those are part of that little fairy garden stuff, so I thought that this would look really cute here in this farmhouse tray. Now to add additional things, I pulled off some of the greenery, this eucalyptus greenery, and I just added that around the tray, just sticking it here and there wherever there was a little hole, and then also the orange and white gingham plaid carrots. I am so in love with these little carrots. I just want to use them in everything in my spring decor, and I hope that you like them too. Thank you so very much for watching. I appreciate you all, your sweet comments, your sharing of my videos, your thumbs up, and just your continued support. You all have a great day, and God bless.